There's no business like show business. It's no business that I know the lyrics of. All right. Welcome to 8.12. All right? Got your pencils? Here we go. I'm going to tell you a number. Write it down. And then write it down another time using it as an expression that has an exponential power of 10. So something blah, blah, blah times 10 to the blah. You're like, wait. So if I say like 17, you could write down first 17. That's called standard notation in everyday math terms. But then if you have to write it as a power of 10, you could write down 1.7 times 10 to the first, right? Because 10 to the first would move it over 1, so that's the same thing. Okay? Everybody got the idea? So you could use 10 to the first, you could use 10 to the second, because there are going to be bigger numbers than 17. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Sure you do. Okay. Here we go. Grab the other book. Okay. All right there. The Empire State Building weighs 365,000 tons. Write that number down, 365,000. Right? Hit pause. Okay. Well, yeah, I hope you did that too. Okay. So 365,000 looks like this. Right? Duh. Okay. So you could have done a lot of different answers here, so I'm going to actually erase this. You could have done 365 times 10 to the, that would be, here's the decimal. Okay, I'll write it down. So there's our little decimal. So if we moved it there, how many spots did I move it? 1, 2, 3. You could have done 3.65 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth. You could have done, now if you did this, 365,000 times 10 to the 0th, don't do that anymore. That's so lame. 10 to the 0th is 1, so that like mathematically works. No. All right, I think you get the flavor, okay? If it done 36.5 times 10 to the 4th, or 3,650 times 10 to the 2nd. Okay, do I really have to go through all of them? No. Okay, we're moving on. Right, next up. The volume of the Empire State Building is 37 million cubic feet. So write down 37 million, write it down like the normal way, and then hit pause and do that. Okay, you're back. Right, so 37 million, you could have done 37 times 10 to the millions, always 10 to the 6. Look at that. So I could have done 370 times 10 to the 5th, or 3700 times 10 to the 4th, or 37000 times 10 to the 3rd. You get the idea? Yes, you do. If you still did 10 to the 0th after I told you not to do that, then you're a miserable pile of poo. That's what I have to say to you. All right. And the last is the Empire State Building. I don't know why we're focused on that. It's like New York. Who wants to go there? It's a bunch of pandemics like coronavirus central. I know it's not as bad now, but still, nobody's going there. The Empire State Building measures 443,200 millimeters from its base to the top of its antennae. 443,200. You can do it. Don't play this again. 443,200. Now do it. Okay, you're back. 443,200 millimeters. That is a really random fact. Okay, so let's do it. You could have done, well, 44320, taken off just 1 0 and make it times 10 to the 1st. You could have done 4432, taken off 2 zeros. You could have done 443.2, done 3 of them things, 4.32 times 10 to the 4. No, my hand's starting to hurt. I'm not writing anymore. Okay, that's all you have. Now, guess what? You got really good news. The really good news is you get to skip a page on the last full lesson of the whole curriculum. So it's the first page in your thing, which is 315. Don't do it. Don't. No. 315. Don't do it, okay? I think I've been pretty clear about that. All right, but here's what you are going to need for 316 and 317. It's more pendulum fun. Remember you had that pendulum fun yesterday? Oh, don't be like, I didn't want to do that. I had to hunt down some string. No, just no. No again, okay? So this time you're going to be making some guesses about. So last time, let's say this is my pendulum. Okay, it's anchored over here at my table, right? And last time you were releasing it, it should have been, if you were doing it right, you're holding it straight out, parallel to the floor, and then dropping it and recording how much time it takes. Now, this little arc that happens here, it's called the pendulum's arc, pendulum arc, okay? They always carve it, right? And it starts carving a smaller and smaller arc as more time goes. Great, good fact. Okay, but that's not the point. The point is this lesson, what you're gonna be doing is saying, okay, if we think of this as 0 degrees, and this as 90 degrees, right? Because they're about right angles from each other. Oh God, okay? This time, for this lesson, they're going to have you record the same information as how long it takes for 10 of those swings, but they're gonna do it at different angles. So they're gonna want you to do it at a 30 degree and a 60 degree. So you're like, I don't know what 30 degree, 60. If this is the whole 90, 0, 30's about a third of the way up, 60's 2/3 of the way up. So in each case, you're gonna be dropping it a 50 centimeter line, if you can get 50 centimeters, if you can't, just get something else, okay? But 50 centimeters would make it a little bit easier. So you're gonna record how long it takes to do 10, then you'll be dividing by 10 to figuring out how long it takes for one complete swing. And you're gonna see, did it matter? How much did it change starting at 90 compared to 60 compared to 30, right? Did it take less time, more time to do the 10 swings? That's what you're investigating. Okay. So you're gonna need some of the information from the day before, but you can handle that. I believe in you, I think. Does anything else you need? Blah, blah, blah. I don't think so. That gets you through 316 and 317. Go check it out and then look at the video and we'll go from there.